Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, I Deepmani Bhardwaj welcome you all again, and today we are going to discuss a very important topic for the examination, that is Nobel Prize winners of the year 2020. See, this is very important for your general awareness section, so you must be aware about all the prize winners. So let's start with the topic. Nobel Prize. See, Nobel Prize is a set of annual international awards bestowed in several categories by Swedish and Norwegian institutions in recognition of academic, cultural, or scientific advances. The Nobel Prize is awarded to those who during the previous year have conferred the greatest benefit on the mankind. Now, in what fields are they given? So, prizes in physics, chemistry, physiology of medicine, literature, and peace have been awarded since 1901. But the prizes in economic sciences have been awarded since year 1968. So the economic science section has been added in 1968, but the prizes in other sections have been given since 1901. So talking about 2020, what all prizes are awarded? So let's start with the first prize of physiology of medicine. So Dr. Harvey J. Alter, Dr. Michael Houghton and Dr. Charles M. Rice have received the prize for their discovery of hepatitis C. They have made possible blood tests and new medicines that have saved millions of lives. So, this award has been given to these three doctors, that is Dr. Harvey, Dr. Michael, and Dr. Charles. Now, next prize is for physics. So, Roger Penrose, Reinhard Genzel, and Andrea Ghez have received the prize for their discoveries that have improved understanding of the universe, which includes the work on the black holes. Fine, let's move on to the next section, that is chemistry. And this has happened first time in the history that two females have shared a Nobel Prize in chemistry, and those two females are Emmanuel and Jennifer. So the Nobel Prize in chemistry was jointly awarded to Emmanuel and Jennifer A. Doudna for their work on the development of CRISPR-Cas9, which is a method for genome editing. Next prize. Next prize is for the literature, and it was given to the America's well-known poet, that is Lewis Gluck. So the Nobel Prize in literature was awarded to Lewis Gluck, who is America's well-known poet. Next award was for peace, and the Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to the World Food Programme for its effort to combat a surge in global hunger amid the COVID-19, that is coronavirus pandemic, which has given world a severe impact. Everyone knows that each and every country's economy has just gone down. Fine. So in this situation also, World Food Program didn't give up and they raised their hand and helped the people. So because of their efforts to combat a surge in global hunger amid the coronavirus pandemic, World Food Program has received the Nobel Peace Prize. Next prize is for the economic science, and this award has been given to Paul R. Milgrom and Robert V. Wilson. So Paul R. Milgrom and Robert V. Wilson were awarded the Nobel Prize in Economic Science for the improvements to auction theory and inventions of new auction formats. So all these prize winners are very important. You need to learn them up. In case you are not able to learn their names, please do comment so that I can help you out with the tricks as well. So all these names are very important for examination, and apart from the examination also you must be aware about these, because they are the very important people because of whom mankind is surviving. Yeah, mankind is surviving because they have done something great that is non-achievable by normal human beings, isn't it? So they play a very significant role in our lives directly or indirectly. So thanking you for watching this video. Please do comment, like and share as much as possible. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.